Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6, triangles. Exercise 6.5, page number 151 of your mathematics textbook. Question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? First, let us understand the directions. So, this is north, south, this is west, and this one is east. Suppose this is an airport. First aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. So let this point be A, and it flies due north at the speed of 1000 km per hour. And at the same time, the second aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west and at the speed of 1200 km per hour. So let us name this point as B. And at the speed of 200 km per hour, this aeroplane flies due west. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? That is, we need to find the distance between A and B. So let us join A and B and let us name this point as C. So this is a 90-degree angle. 1000 km per hour is the speed of the first aeroplane and 1200 km per hour is the speed of the second aeroplane. First, let us find the distance travelled by the first aeroplane and the second aeroplane in 1.5 hours. We know that distance is equal to speed into time. So first let us find the distance travelled by the first aeroplane. Speed into time. So what is the speed, students? It is 1000 into time. So time is 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but 3/2. So 2 ones are, 2 5s are, so we'll get 500 here, which is equal to 1500. That is 1500 kilometer is the distance travelled by the first aeroplane. That is from this point to this point is 1500 kilometer. Is this clear, students? Okay, next. Distance travelled by the second aeroplane in 1.5 hours is, again the speed is 1200 kilometer into time. Time again it is 3/2. So 2 ones are, 2 600s are. So it is 1800 kilometer. So this is the distance travelled by the second aeroplane, that is from point C to B. Next, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the distance between the two planes, that is, distance between A and B. So, in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, we have the hypotenuse AB, that is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So we need to find AB. So let us write AB as it is, which is equal to AC. What is AC? The distance is 1500 to the whole square plus BC is 1800 to the whole square. So we get AB square is equal to, so 1500 square is 22,50,000 plus your 1800 square, we get 32,40,000. So altogether AB square is equal to, so how much is 225 and 324? So 945. So 549, and then we have to add 4 zeros. So that is, we get 54,90,000. So next, AB is equal to root 549,000. So next we'll be having AB is equal to root 549 into 100 square. So we get AB is equal to root 549 into 100. Root 549. So 549, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 2 will remain. 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9. Next we get 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are, next you get 61, ones are 61. So here it will be AB is equal to 100 into, so this is 3 into root 61. So which is equal to, so 100 into 3 is 300 root 61. So in 1.5 hours, the distance between two planes is 300 root 61 kilometer. Is this clear, students? Thank you, students.